Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you delete or remove a beneficiary from your Robinhood account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a beneficiary from your Robinhood account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you named a beneficiary, sometimes your relationship falls apart, so you want to be sure to remove them as a beneficiary so they get nothing if something happens to you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a beneficiary from your Robinhood account, here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left and you want to click on beneficiary. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the beneficiaries you have listed on your Robinhood account. I just have this one person. And in order to remove them, just click on their name. Okay. Once you click on their name, the pop-up's going to happen right here. And it's going to show their information. And at the very bottom, you want to click on the red remove button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a beneficiary from your Robinhood account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.